Hello, everyone out there in YouTube world. This is Delon Jenkins coming at you. Today, I'm going to provide you with a video for the best camera gear to use when you're doing your lawn recording. Lawn enthusiast PJ from the Girls Lawn and Aaron from the Perfect Cut, they're going to be joining me and providing some cameos and showing what type of equipment they use. Since Black Friday and the holiday season is coming up, it's a good time to say, hey, you know, that gift this year, I want something like a GoPro, Android, a new iPhone. It'd be a good time to get that gift, play around with the controls, play around with the settings. So by the time March gets here, you're ready to roll. Just to let you know, what I'm going to show you of mine is overkill, okay? It's strictly overkill. You don't need all of this stuff, and let's get started.
Hey everyone, Aaron McNabb with The Perfect Cut, and today we're talking video and audio recording equipment. I shoot all my video on the Panasonic Lumix G5. It's a micro 4/3 camera, and it lets you interchange some of the lenses. Right now I'm shooting this video on the 14mm wide angle lens, but if I'm going to be shooting any close-ups, I just use the kit lens and zoom that into 42mm. Also, I record all of my audio externally. I use the H1N Zoom audio recorder and then just sync that up in post-production using Adobe Premiere Pro. For my drone footage, I simply use the DJI Mavic Mini 2. It's an affordable piece of equipment that can give you decent video footage. For the music that I use, I have an Artlist subscription that allows me to download songs without having to worry about any copyright issues. Plus, I just love moving to that music.
So you want to know what equipment I use to do my videos? Polo's gonna love that. I can sing, I just can't sing well. But that's not why you're here. You're here, you want to know what equipment I use to do my YouTube videos. Well, all of my videos. I started off using my cell phone, my Apple iPhone. I have a 12 now. The video's great, it records great. I use it a lot, actually. My main camera, though, that I use right now is the GoPro. This right here is actually the GoPro 9, but I started with the GoPro 7. For audio, I finally invested in the Rode wireless mic. How can I put this? It's kind of a pain. Usually I have on a t-shirt and this thing kind of weighs it down. I've given you my audio secrets and my video secrets. So now let's take a look at my editing software. Okay, so here we are in the lab. I use a Mac computer and I have an external mic here. And here is my software that I use. It's called Filmora Wondershare. And here's the workspace to get things going. Although I'm using Filmora right now, I'm going to recommend that you get DaVinci Resolve. It's one of the most powerful pieces of editing software out there, and it's free. Now, when you first open it up, it's going to look a little bit intimidating, but once you get the hang of it, you are in there with the editing. Okay, I've shown you my video equipment, my audio equipment, and my editing software. I really hope this was helpful to you.
So I'd like to thank Girls Lawn and the Perfect Cut for doing their cameo appearance with me. I thought that was some very, very good information that can help some of our people get started. Like I said, you know, with Black Friday coming up and the holiday season coming up, this may give you some ideas. So let's get over and see what I have set up right here. What we have here, ladies and gentlemen, is my dual GoPro, dual microphone setup with a light. And this is a GoPro 5 and a GoPro 8, the Rode wireless. The hand mount on this device is fantastic by Fantasil. You can attach different things to it and you can get it on Amazon. The device you see here is a dual flash bracket, and you hook it up to your tripod or whatever mount you want. And I just kind of basically jerry-rigged this for my GoPro. The GoPro light mount has a couple of different settings where the light gets brighter and brighter depending on, you know, how bright you need it. I have this hooked up to the bracket. It'll also flash. It will also illuminate brighter. This is a very good device, and it's about $49 on Amazon. GoPro 3.5 millimeter mic adapter for the Hero 8, Hero 7, the Hero 6, the 5 is right here. You use this to make sure that your mic has the power that it needs. I attach it to the bracket, just screw it in. As you see, I have 2 of them on both sides. This comes in quite handy because the microphone needs its own power. And up here I have the dead cat. And over on this side is the Rode wireless mic. This handheld device attaches to my tripod, my Manfrotto tripod. And I'll show you this nice little round device here. It just goes right in. You don't have a bunch of screwing to do, and you just clip it in. This makes everything so much easier to control your device. Now, let's go outside so I can show you how it looks. So I have one facing this direction, and then I have the other facing that direction. Now what you're gonna see, I have the lavalier in, and I'm walking down this way. It's really wet. Yeah, got an inch of rain last night. If I walk up this way, and I want to come over and go this way, I'm still going. I got the lavalier going on one. So as you can see, this setup comes in pretty handy. So there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. That is the equipment that we have that we want to show you right now. I'd like to thank PJ from the Girls Line, and I'd also like to thank Aaron from The Perfect Cut. Hopefully this will help you to make your decision with the holiday seasons coming up. Maybe Black Friday, there'll be some sales out there, and you can refer back to this video and see some of the things that we've had and some of the equipment that we use. At the end of this video, I'll show you a clip of all of the equipment that I have, and there'll also be a link down below. So I want to thank you. Please subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one. This is Line Jinking. Ladies and gentlemen, I do all of my editing on Premiere Elements. I don't have the whole suite. I may graduate and get into that, but for right now, I just use the Adobe Premiere Elements.